Hi, this is Erika from Cisco Global Tech. This video describes how to install the ISE patch in Cisco ISE version 3.2. This process applies to version 3.1 and later versions. First, let's go over some important pre-checks before starting the patch installation. Keep in mind that Cisco ISE software patches are cumulative, meaning that each new patch includes all fixes from previous patches. For example, if you are on patch 1, patch 4 is now available. Patch 4 will include fixes from patches 2 and 3. Additionally, it is important to validate your current ISE version and check if a patch is already installed in your node. In a multi-node environment, ensure you verify the patch status on each node by navigating to Maintenance, Patch Management to identify the correct patch. Remember, you cannot install or roll back the patch version that is lower than the one currently installed. For instance, if patch 3 is installed, you cannot install patch 1 or 2. If the patch is successfully applied on the primary pen, Cisco ISE will automatically proceed to the secondary nodes. However, if the installation fails on primary pen, it will not continue to the secondary nodes. Before proceeding, ensure you have the superadmin role and disable pan auto failover. Download the required patch from softwarecisco.com. Let's walk through these initial steps together. Login into your ISE device. Navigate to the engine icon on the right side and select About ISE and Server. Here, you can identify the current version and any installed patch. To disable pen failover, navigate to Administration, System, Deployment, and select pen failover. From there, you can uncheck Enable pen failover. Next, go to softwarecisco.com to download the necessary patch. Click on Access Downloads from Download and Operate. Log in with your credentials if necessary. From the Select Product bar, type Identity Services Engine software. Then select the current version of your ISE device. In this case, we will select 3.2. Scroll to find the needed patch and click the download icon on the right side. Accept Cisco terms and conditions to start the process. Make sure to validate each node in multi-node environment before starting the patch installation. In this video, we will cover two patch installation methods, GUI and CLI, starting with the GUI. If you install your patch from GUI, the patch is automatically installed on the primary pen first. The system then installs the patch on the other nodes in the order listed in the GUI. From this option, you cannot control the order in which the nodes are updated. It is recommended to schedule a maintenance window to carry out this activity to avoid any outage, since each node is rebooted after patch installation. Once you get the patch, let's proceed with patch installation by navigating to Administration, System, Maintenance, and Patch Management. Select Install, browse the file download, and click on Install. ISE will take about 10 to 15 minutes to download the file and start the patch installation. Once the patch is installed and the appliance is reachable, go ahead and log in. Then navigate to the About ISE option and check the version and patch installed. And that's all for the GUI patch installation process. The second method available and also recommended by Cisco is to update the patch through CLI. Moving CLI, using this option you can control the order in which the nodes are updated. However, we recommend that you install the patch on primary pen first. As a reminder before you begin, download the desired patch by logging into softwarecisco.com. Ensure that you have superadmin role assigned and make sure to disable pen auto failover to proceed. These steps were covered earlier. Next, Verify that you have ISE repository configured and upload the download patch. Verify the repository content by logging into the appliance via CLI. Then display the repository with the command show repository name of the repository. The CLI gives you the option to install the patch in a single node to validate the functionality before run deployment installation, but Cisco recommends that you install the patch on the primary pen first. Use the following command to install the patch: patch install, patch bundle, repository that stores the patch file. During the process, when you see the message getting bundled to a local machine, expect to wait about 10 minutes before receiving a confirmation that the patch installation is in progress. After the installation completes, you will be notified that the device will reboot. As mentioned earlier, tracking this process is not possible through the graphical interface, so Cisco recommends installing patches via CLI to keep the installation visible. After ISE review, you can verify the patch install through show version command. With this process, you have successfully installed the patch on your ISE. Contact Cisco Tech Support if you have any questions or present any issues. Don't forget to check tab video portals for more. Thank you for watching.